Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage pet insurance with Nationwide detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin managing your pet insurance with Nationwide, first visit the Nationwide website. If you are not already a member, click on the Enroll button to create an account. Fill in the required information, including your pet's details and your personal information. Once you've submitted your information, check your email for a confirmation message and activation link. After activating your account, log in using your registered email and password. Navigate to the Policies section to view your current pet insurance plan. Review your coverage details to understand what is included and any exclusions or limits. If you have questions about your policy, head over to the Contact Us page for assistance. Alternatively, you can call customer support directly for more immediate concerns. To make a claim, go to the Claims section of your account. Download and complete the claim form provided. Upload the completed claim form along with any required documentation, such as vet bills. Submit your claim and keep a copy for your records. Monitor the status of your claim in the Claims section of your account. If approved, your reimbursement will typically be processed within a few days. You can also update your payment method or billing information under the Account Settings tab. To add a new pet to your insurance plan, go back to the Enroll section and enter the new pet's information. Review your policy limits and ensure you are comfortable with the coverage amount. Make sure to renew your policy before the expiration date to avoid any lapses in coverage. Consider reviewing your plan annually to ensure it meets your pet's evolving health needs. If your pet experiences any lifestyle changes or develops new health conditions, notify Nationwide as soon as possible. Staying informed about your policy will help you make the best decisions for your pet's healthcare. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.